This is Mike back with Mike's Handyman Services. I am here to show you guys how to wire up 15 amp, 125 volt outlet plug. You can see you have several different kinds of wires. This is going to be a ground bare wire. White is your neutral continuous. Of course, I'm touching the wires, and I guess you have common sense. I've already turned the power off to the breaker so I don't shock myself. Touching the wires. This is your black power wire, and this is your continuous wire, which comes from the electric company itself. These are two sets of what we call 2-wire, 12-2 wire that are ran inside this box. One is supplying what we call the load, and the other one is supplying the feed. In other words, power is probably either coming in on this line or either this line here and going from either here, here, or here over to there, and on around. So get this wired up. Stay tuned. I video record this, and this really kind of sucks. I'm gonna get a better camera. I'm just using my phone for now, so do it like this on the side. There. That. Yeah, that's how you get a perfect angle. Let me round it up. Yeah, that should be what I'm looking at. Should be fine for me to wire that up. Okay. First, we'll start the new one. Of course, this is the old one taken off. This is about 25 years old. Here's the new one right here, and get it wired up. On these outlets, you have a gold side or a brass side, which is always normally for your black, your hot wire. On your outlet plugs, on your 15 to 20 amps. And then you have a silver side, which is normally for your white continuous. And then this green screw right here is for a bare or either a green color coded wire or a ground wire that comes in there. First thing I'll do is I'll take these and I will see which way, of course, they're going to screw, and I already know they screw that away, like that. I cut my wires back on these wires at least a 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. I'll put a slight curl on this one, a slight curl on this one facing up on the power side, the black side. The same way with the white. With the white, it will be opposite. I will put a curl facing down, and the same way to this one. Okay, alrighty. And my ground is always normally a curl facing down with it, so I'll grab, as you see, take the wire and just put a slight, well, do better than that. Take the wire, there we go, and put a slight bend into it. Everyone is a little bit different. I normally like to start with my ground wire first and getting it connected. Normally, sometimes it is the longest wire. Well, it just depends on how the wires have been wired in. In this case, it is the longest one. So I will take it and set it first. Grab a needle nose pliers. Some guys just like to just put them in there and just do that. And
have them on. I like to get them on screwed on, was the way that I have been taught and trained. When I learned wiring,